visit so far from the region. So we have our open invitation. So,
Very familiar face.
Vice President Sheikh Jafar, Vice President Vice President Mustafa He's our new minister to be taken.
he's been known.
Minister for Foreign Relations, Senior Advisor, Spokesperson for the Presidency, Chief of Staff for the President, Deputy Minister of Peshmerga, Chief of Staff for Peshmerga, Military Advisor of the Minister of Peshmerga, Assistant to the President, Head of the Diplomacy and Foreign Relations at the Presidency.
Of course. Good to see you. Not long time. Good to see you. Zahra, thank you. Thanks, Zahra. Yeah, I know. Yes, hello. How are you? Good to see you too. Thank you. President General. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thank you. French challenge.
It's good later. Stop here. Sir, good to see you.
Good to see you too. Hello. Thank you. Please.
Please, thank you.
Добро, Жулиана.
Good to see you, Mr. Secretary. It's great to be here.
Him, but no,